Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make a simple pink grapefruit drink. So with summer in mind, this is the drink for you guys. It's refreshing and it's satisfying. But before we go any further, please go right ahead and subscribe, like and share my videos, okay? So let's get started. I have 2 grapefruits. I also have some pink grapefruit juice drink in a box, but I do like to mix them. I also have some Perrier sparkling water, and this water is flavored with lemon, lime, pink grapefruit, and green apples. I also have Angostura bitters, some simple syrup, and some rosemary for garnishing. Of course, my mug and the stirrer. Alright, so what I did is wash my grapefruits and cut them into halves because I am going to squeeze them so that I can get the juice out from them, which I did get 1 1/4 cups of grapefruit juice, freshly squeezed grapefruit juice. So into my mug, I'm going to add 2 1/2 cups of the box juice. And I like to go ahead and add the freshly squeezed grapefruit juice along with our box juice. To me, like, it gives it a kick, brings up the body of the juice and give it a different flavor. Once I added there, I'm going to add some Angostura bitters, and you want to add just about 4 or 5 drops of the Angostura bitters into this grapefruit juice here. Now we are going to add half of a 750 milliliters of Perrier sparkling water. And once you add that water, guys, let me tell you, you can see the bursting of bubbles in there. Look at this. So we're gonna add just half of the bottle, and then we're going to go ahead and add our simple syrup. Now, simple syrup is made with just 1 equal part of sugar and 1 equal part of water. Add as much as you want or as little as you want to your taste. Then take your stirrer and stir it up. It's that simple and easy to put together, guys. We're mixing up a sparkling grapefruit drink. It's refreshing and satisfying, and it's good for sipping on a hot days. Now I'm going to pour it over some ice. And look at this. So good, guys. This is a must-try drink. You need to give it a try. So if you have summer in mind, then this is one of the drinks for you. Garnish with some grapefruits to the top and also some rosemary, guys. And there you have it. So go right ahead, give it a try. Don't you forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Also leave me a beautiful comment and stay with me in the kitchen for many more simple, easy recipes. So happy summer, guys. Enjoy, and thank you for coming in the kitchen with Lynn. I will see you in my next video. God bless and be safe.